Walking the empty streets at dusk, shadowed memories start to rust. Every step feels like a chain, trapped in whispers of the past. Your ghost haunts these silent nights, faded pictures in the pale moonlight. Can't escape these endless dreams, where your voice silently screams. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame, shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars. Rain falls gently on my face, washing away our last embrace. Every drop's a tear I cried, a mirror to the pain inside. These streets hold our history, every corner a mystery. Now they're just cold and hollow, with sorrow's weight I follow. Time's been slow in my mind's eye, where you still linger, haunting sigh in the cinematic woe. Your silence is the loudest echo. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame, shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame, shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars, falling through like distant stars. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame, shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars. Rain falls gently on my face, washing away our last embrace. Every drop's a tear I cry, a mirror to the pain inside. Walking the empty streets at dusk, shadowed memories start to rust. Every step feels like a chain, trapped in whispers of the past. Your ghost haunts these silent nights, faded pictures in the pale moonlight. Can't escape these endless dreams, where your voice silently screams. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame, shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars. Rain falls gently on my face, washing away our last embrace. Every drop's